So originally we were just basically trying to show that this system that we have going on is a flat-proof combination between a Kenda tire and a Nitromousse. And with that being said, taking a chainsaw to it seems unrealistic for sure, but it gets the point across. If I was running a tube, you definitely wouldn't have been able to take a chainsaw to it, keep the tire from deflating, and put 8 hours worth of riding on it. So we're gonna take this tire off and show you guys what the Nitromousse looks like. A lot of people say putting mousse bibs in without a tire changer is next to impossible, but I haven't owned one tire changer and I've been able to put these things on and off easy. So mostly we rode enduro cross. I think I put 3 to 4 hours worth of riding enduro cross on it, taking it through rocks, logs, firewood, and then to cap off the end of the day in the video, we went out and rode off-road, and it was a mixture of rocks, loose dirt, sand washes, rock gardens, and it pretty much went through all of it with no problems. I didn't notice any flat spots on the tire. It really gave me the best feeling, even though the tire was starting to wear down. So that's after all the cuts. There's about 4 cuts in this tire. Here's one cut. Here's another. Here's where a rock got in the tire and the slit, and that's all the damage that it did. So honestly, I was actually really expecting, once I made these cuts, that the mousse was just going to want to tear apart on me, and the more time that I put on it, it was just going to keep ripping up on me. And you know, after putting some time on it, and from the looks of it, little rocks were getting in between the tire and the mousse, and it's just leaving little dents, and they're not even getting worse. This is, you know, like I said, with over 8 hours worth of riding, and these cut marks haven't changed. They haven't gotten deeper, they haven't gotten worse, they don't look nastier than when I originally had cut them. The only thing that I've noticed is when the rocks have gotten into the tire. So with that being said, I feel like this is a pretty flat-proof system to go out and finish a race, even if you were to ruin a tire. So I'm confident, you know, this is the best system out there to keep yourself going and not having to worry about tire issues.